filming. This actually deserves a bit of a movie. I'm here on the Rideau Canal with my friend Kevin Dodd. We lost Doug. We lost Doug!
He fell through the ice.
We lost Doug. We lost Karen. We lost Ben. Who the fuck knows? Oh, we'll find them. Oh yeah, Elaine's here. Elaine! That's right, he's filming. Ooh. Oh yeah. See, I would not recognize a hockey player if it hit me in the face. Maybe Price. I like how we recognize that. You know, they're not that hockey kind of equipment. It's kind of like, you know, it's like a person's always wearing a hat. Suddenly they don't wear a hat, then you can't recognize them. Yesterday. Oh. Hey, I smelled weed. I smelled weed. I think it's those jail baits together.